Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I thought I would do another transforming myself, not my style challenge. It all started because I was sent some sunglasses which are the collaboration between Key Australia and Benefit, and there's a couple of pairs in there that are like pink, and I was like, they're really not my style. And just from that I was like, maybe I should do another not my style video and wear the sunglasses and fully transform myself and my style to like match the theme of them. This kind of outfit and everything is what I would normally wear. I normally just wear like a sweatshirt in like either like grey or khaki or just kind of not too out there colours. And if you guys have watched my channel for a while, you will know that I'm not the biggest fan of pink. I don't mind a kind of like muted kind of like nude sort of pinkish colour, but I'm really not a fan of like bright pink. I do sometimes wear pink on my eyes because I feel like it complements my eye colour quite well, but even then it's more kind of like pinkish reddish tones rather than like full on hot pink. So yeah, I am about to fully transform myself. It includes a wig, it includes an outfit change, so let's just get into it. So the first step of this transformation is to change what I'm wearing. I probably own about 3 pieces of pink clothing. One of them being this sweatshirt, which it says on the front, "Thank you next," which I mean, that is my style because I love Ariana Grande, but this colour pink I would never choose to wear, and I've never actually worn this jumper. I actually made this myself. They're like iron-on transfers at a Soap and Glory event around like Christmas time. But I've kept this jumper and never worn it. I just don't think it suits me and I just don't really like it. I don't know, it's just not really my thing. So I am gonna take off my jumper that I'm wearing right now, which by the way, this one is from Primark. And the pink jumper is going on. I already hate this. Like, I just don't like wearing pink. I just don't think it suits me. I feel like people are gonna probably argue with me in the comments. But yeah, step 1 complete. To be fair, it is a sweatshirt, which I do wear all the time. However, I don't own any other pink clothes that aren't sweatshirts, so this will have to do. At the end of this video, I've got a pink long wig that I'm going to be putting on as well, so that's going to be super interesting. But let's do my makeup first. First, I'm just going to quickly take off the makeup that I currently have on my face from this morning. To be fair, for like base products and stuff, there's not really much I can do that isn't my style. The only thing I can think of is using an illuminating primer. This is the MEMI Radiance primer, so I'm going to use this first. To be fair, actually, sometimes I do use an illuminating primer, but I mean, this is the only thing I could think of that was slightly different, because this one is super glowy. Then for foundation, I'm using the Rimmel Lasting Radiance foundation. Funnily enough, this one is in the shade Porcelain. It's not very porcelain. I use this when I have a bit of tan on. It is a tiny bit light for me at the moment, but I'm going to bronze up to darken it up. I don't know what happened to this one knuckle, by the way. It just like... what is that? Then for concealer, I'm using the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer, and I have the shade Fair, which again is not very fair. Then I'm just gonna add a bit of my Revlon Colour Stay powder, just because this is already creasing. I'm only gonna powder my under eyes so they don't crease. We're gonna leave the rest of my face dewy. Why not? I honestly don't get how people don't powder their foundation, because for me, this would not be here in like 2 hours time. I feel like it would all just come off. Then for my bronzer, blush and highlight, I've actually got this palette from Benefit, which is called Cheek Leaders Pink Squad. So this palette is based around the theme of pink. So we've got very pink blushes. I think I'm gonna go for this one, which is California, which is very pink. There's a pink like rose gold highlighter in here. I am just gonna use the Hoola bronzer because, I mean, I can't really use like a green bronzer or something. I mean, I could, but that wouldn't be very realistic. I'm trying to make this realistic, you know? As if I woke up one day and was suddenly like, wow, I'm a changed woman. Well, I don't know, there's still time. I'm still growing. I'm not. Well, I'm definitely not growing, but I'm still... my brain is still developing, I think, I hope. Wow, bronzing without powdering is a whole new experience. Also, this side of my face may look lighter, but it's just because it's really bright outside. Okay, so into a bit of California. It smells amazing. It's like a goldeny, pinky blush. that blush. I'm then going to use the highlighter, which is called Tickle. It might be a little bit too dark for me, but we're going to give it a go. It's literally pink. Ooh. Wow, okay, that's really pretty. But it's like, it's literally rose gold. I would normally just go for a straight up kind of champagne colour. I never really go for like coloured highlighters. Even kind of like super yellow gold I tend to avoid. Wow, that's an incredible highlighter though, but it's just very rose golden. From the front it looks pink, from the side it looks like yellow gold. But that is stunning. It might look a little bit funny down my nose, especially because I haven't powdered my nose. It's already glowy. Okay, so I'm definitely looking very dewy. Look at my forehead. Right now, I think my skin looks amazing, but literally give it like an hour or two. This will be melting off my face. So for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go for something a little bit kind of colourful. I'm thinking one of these Barry M eyeshadow toppers, which are gorgeous, and I did keep them in a recent declutter, but like I rarely wear colourful eyeshadows like this. I don't really like purple either. Like pink and purple are probably my least two favourite colours. That being said, I have had both pink and purple hair in the past. For some reason, when it comes to hair, it just doesn't count. I love like all colours of hair. I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows like how I normally would, because again, there's not really like a different way that I could do my brows. This is Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 3, and Precisely My Brow. Also in the shade 3. You know what? I think I'm going to use both of these, and I'm just going to see what happens if I just paint them onto my eyes and then blend them out with a brush. Okay, it doesn't really want to blend out. This feels kind of dried up actually. What the heck? I'm literally getting no product on my brush. This is so sad. This blue one is kind of like dried up. To be fair, I guess it's been open for about a year, but I've only used it once. Let's try the purple one. This is like a pinky purple duochrome. I feel like on camera it's just not coming across as colourful. I feel like you can't really see like the duochrominess. Oh, there we go. You see? It's just really hard to get them to look even because I can barely get any product out of this one. I definitely should have used like a transition shade first, but I kind of just wanted to see what these alone looked like on my eyes. But I would recommend putting down like a base or something first. I'm going to take a bit of Original Soph, and I'm going to take the purple shade here, and I'm just going to add this to the outer corners. Oh my god, this has to be the worst eye look I've possibly ever done. I'm not quite sure what this is. Literally half of that has disappeared as I blended this out. Definitely should have done this first. I'm then gonna line my eyes and add some mascara. This is the Balm Schwing liner, and then for mascara, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Ultimate Mascara. Then the final step to my makeup is the lips, and normally for my lips, like I don't mind a kind of neutral-ish, pinkish, My Lips But Better sort of colour, or like a nudie sort of pink, but I really dislike just like actual pink lipsticks because I feel like they don't suit my skin tone and they make my teeth look really yellow, so I don't normally tend to go for them. Another thing that I severely dislike is like glitter or holographic or metallic lipsticks, lip toppers. So I've got a few different ones here to choose from. I think I'm gonna go in with a liner first, which is the Collection Lip Definer in number 4 pink. That's literally the shade of it. And then I think I'm gonna go in, oh, this is also Collection actually. This is the Collection Glam Crystals Holographic Lip Topper in the shade Boo 2. So let's see what this little combo makes. Yeah, like this type of colour right here is my least favourite colour on this earth. And then going in with the glittery, shimmery lip topper. Oh dear god. Oh, this is now ruined. It's got like pink duochrome glitters in it. I can promise you, you will never catch me with makeup like this again. So the final stage is the wig and the accessories. So I am going to put my hair into this sock and we're going to shove a wig on my head and see what I look like with long pink hair. I'm just putting my hair in a low bun. And then, oh my god. This is definitely not my style. So this wig needs a brush, like I don't know how it got so messed up. Actually, let me put the camera back a little bit, just so you can see me in all my glory. So it's still got a couple knots in it, but I think that'll do the trick. Get this on my head. Oh my god. Why is this bit so wonky? Well, this looks awful. It's such a bad wig. This was from Amazon. It was so cheap. I think well, actually it wasn't that cheap. I think I spent like £20 maybe on this wig. At least £15. It was described as lace front, which it definitely is not. Oh my god, it's so long and so tangled at the bottom. Like there's just so much hair. Ugh, it's all getting stuck in my gloss. Oh my god, look at this knot. Let's just like hide that. So this is me with the pink hair. I've also got a couple things I can do to try and disguise the fact that it's a terrible wig. The best way to solve that is, I guess, shove a hat on your head. Honestly, I don't think that looks any better. I should have found a snapback for this video. Do you guys remember when snapbacks were in? Okay. Oh, got a bit of a slippage. I'm gonna go with this pink Benefit beanie. To be fair, this particular colour of pink isn't too bad. And oh no, I just got lip gloss on my jumper. And I did actually wear this hat when I was on a trip with Benefit. God, this is so weird. I feel like some weird like alter ego of myself right now. Yeah, look, all the foundation on my forehead, because I didn't powder, is literally just like wearing off. Okay, I guess with the hat, it's not actually too bad. Like the hat and the hair actually go pretty well together, I think. What do you guys think? The finishing touch to this look is some sunglasses. Nope, not those ones. Just wait for it, guys, wait for it. I mean, I know that some people could probably pull these off and look really cool, maybe if you were like J-Lo or Jaclyn Hill, but I got sent these Key Australia and Benefit glasses, sunglasses. They've got a new collection. The black ones are really cool, but this particular style, which are called Be Sunny, Stay Shady, or do they all say that on them? Oh no, they all say that on them. I don't know what style these are, but I'm sure you can find them online. Look at these sunglasses. Okay. Can you imagine if I actually went out wearing these? Like honestly, can you imagine how much of a diva I'd look if I went around wearing these? They look like ski goggles. Like they're like twice the size of my head. And they've also got another pair which are also very not my style, which look like this. I do actually have these in black. The black ones I really like, but these pink ones I just don't really think they're for me. Okay, so this wig is just... This is my finished look. I'm just gonna answer a question of the day. As I always do, I've got hair stuck in my lip gloss. In my previous video, I reacted to my first ever video, which was so awkward and interesting. So many people are coming for me in the comments saying, you haven't read a single book since you were 16, what? Yeah, I don't read, like I just don't read books. Question of the day comes from Alexandra Kuto, I think, and she says, how do you usually pick your foundation shade online? This is actually a very good question, because what I normally used to do is I would just go for like the lightest shade that was like, had like a yellowy undertone, because I would always just be the lightest shade in everything. However, now with a tan, like it's a bit more difficult. So like honestly what I normally do is just Google the swatches of the foundations and look for people that have similar skin tones to me and see what they're wearing, and kind of like look for the undertones in the foundation and see what I think would be best for me. But it is definitely very difficult, and yeah, I don't always get it right. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go take off this lip gloss because it's driving me insane with the wig. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna take the wig off first, I think, but I do actually quite like the overall look. I think it looks quite cool. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go edit this. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. If you're in the UK, I hope you have a great bank holiday weekend, because we get Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday off, which is like the best thing ever. But I hope you guys are all doing really, really well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.